No one's ever been in this place before.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig is Hear My Heart, na inawit po ni Jeff and Sherry Easter sa kanilang album na Expecting Good Things. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Isaiah Kapitulo 12, versikulo 2. Behold, God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. Our topic for this morning is don't be afraid. Huwag tayong matakot. There is no fear in love. God's love casteth all our fears. Church of the Living God, I want to challenge you. Ang tunay na pag-ibig ay walang takot. Hindi yan natatakot. Fear is a sign of lack of trust. Don't be afraid. Kung ang bata nga pag itinatapon ng ama niya pataas, di ba? Tumatawa pa. Why? Because he trusts his father that he will not fall down. No? Na ang bata, iniisip niya, hindi ako mahuhulog kasi sasaluin ako ng papa ko. Ganon din po sana ang pagtitiwala na meron tayo tulad ng isang bata. Courage is not the absence of fear, but willingness to face them. Minsan iniisip natin, sana mawala na yung takot ko. No, nandyan yung takot eh. But the true courage is knowing to face them. Don't be afraid because God is in control. So we have nothing to fear. Kung ang Diyos ang may hawak ng lahat, kung ang Diyos ang may control ng lahat, bakit tayo matatakot? Bakit tayo mag-aalala kung wala tayong pera? Bakit tayo matatakot kung may problemang darating? Church, you don't have to be afraid. You don't have to worry. All you have to do is to trust in the Lord and believe that He is able to help us. God bless po at magandang umaga.
Pain and hurt, I think will never end. The song speaks words I cannot, and it calms the fears within.